Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Techation stands for Technology and Education. I'm Najmal and I brought you this interesting video today. So today's video is about two different video editors. One is Easeus video editor and the other one is Adobe Premiere Elements. Today we will walk through these two different softwares that are available for Windows and Mac, and we will see which one will be the easiest one for you to begin with. And one more thing, I have made another video about the top 5 watermark free video editors with 4K exports, and that is absolutely free. You guys can check that video out, link in the description. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon on. Let's start. So first we will see the requirements for both of these softwares. We will see the tools, features available, the interface, and obviously the pricing. And then at the end of the video we will come to a conclusion about which one would be the best for you. So first thing first, and that is system requirements for both of these software. Adobe Premiere Element requires 64-bit multi-core 7th generation or newer processor, 16 GB of RAM for HD media, and 32 GB RAM for 4K media. 4 GB of GPU VRAM, first internal SSD for app installation and cache, additional high-speed drive for media. And for Easeus video editor, well, it will run at any system 7 to 10. No special requirements, just download, install, and add. Now, the next thing we really need to give our attention is the interface, because that's the main motive to make this video, right? To see which one has the easiest interface. First up is Adobe Premiere Elements. After launching Premiere Elements, you will see the three different options: Quick, Guided, and Expert to get on with. On the top tab, you have basic editing options just like the other editors. In Quick mode, you have easy interface where you can edit your videos easily without any heavy editing methods. Guided mode will help you out to create professional grade videos with its step-by-step guide. This way, those who are new to video editing get to learn it quickly and gain confidence to edit videos without guides. And in Expert mode, you can edit your videos professionally with all the tools available. Tools you will work with. Favorite moments. Adobe Premiere Elements helps you to mark and extract all your favorite moments in a video as a single collated clip or individual clips. You can use the extracted clips of favorite moments for editing or sharing. Freeze frame. You can grab a single frame from a video clip and use it as a still image in your video, and also you can save it in your computer. It has motion tracking. Motion tracking gives you the ability to track moving objects in a video clip. You can attach clip art like still images, graphics, or video clips to these objects. It also has a pan and zoom, smart trim, and time remapping. Audio tools include audio mixer, narration, and smart mix. More features are asset organization, quick movies, automatic adjustments, video and slideshow creation, video enhancements, etc. You can add multiple medias at the same time for editing. Directly import photos and videos from cameras, smartphones, and pen drives, and also from a DVD-based AVC HD camera or your computer's DVD drive. You will find basic tools while editing videos such as adjust, fix, FX, add audios, subtitles, and stickers, nothing too over. And you can export the videos in 4 different resolutions up to 4K Ultra HD. Well, none of this comes free. This is not a free software. You need to buy it first to use all these existing features. It will cost you around $74.99 to purchase it. As you can see, Adobe kept this software really simple, so nobody, even if they're editing for the first time, have no issues or trouble in editing. Now, as we have seen this, we will head over to the Easeus video editor. After launching, you will be given 3 aspect ratio to choose from. Choose one of these to start editing. Now, I'm really impressed. I really am. What Easeus has done with the software is really clean, simple, and detailed, just like Premiere Elements. You can import videos, photos, audios, even SRTs. Every software has pros and cons. This is no different. Pros: free to use, support streaming and splitting videos, support editing text, support adding text and filter to videos, support adding background music and customizing audio speed. Cons: not support extracting audio from video, remove the watermark, etc. Only has basic features. You can easily trim, cut, split, merge, rotate, mix video clips, apply stylish video effects, accelerate or slow down your video speed, and many more. Other things are it has different intro opening, backgrounds, and scenes that I have never seen in any video editor. They put the viral ones that are actually meme that we see in videos, and it will really help you too if you are trying to make a funny meme videos. In music section, it has different tracks and sound effects, different text styles, transitions, filters, overlays, and elements. In tools, it has edit, split, mosaic option, crop, zoom, green screen, and also voiceover. You can export up to 2K quality, but you need to upgrade this to Pro version. It will still let you export in 720p in free versions, but the videos will have watermark. You can purchase the monthly subscription for $17.97 and yearly for $49.95, or you can have a lifetime upgrade at $79.95. It's really tough to tell which software is better than the other. In performance and pricing, they're almost neck to neck, almost same. It's now up to you to find out what suits you the most. If you have a low-end PC, Easeus is better for you. It's light, easy, and simple to use. You won't face any disturbance with your PC while editing whatsoever. And if you want a better performance, better quality, and have a high-end PC, I think Premiere Elements will be the best choice for you. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? If you find this video informative, give this video a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more amazing videos, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and click all to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe, stay healthy,